Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and welcome to this quick demo video of VR Agency 360 for our affiliates. Now, this is the main dashboard right here, and I'm gonna jump right into this, okay? VR Agency 360 creates full-blown 360 experiences and virtual tours for your audience. So we are the first ones bringing this to the internet marketing space, and I'm very pumped about it, and I want you to see it in action, okay? So let's just jump right into this. Let me click here on VR Studio, okay? Now here on the upper right, these other features are upgrades. So, you know, depending on your audience, if they upgrade to some of these, they're also really cool. You can learn more about them in a different video and on the JV page. But here, VR Studio, let me click here on Create New. We're gonna create a new project right now and create an actual 360 experience, okay? I'm gonna call this JV Demo. And then I'm gonna click here on Continue. Now here's the cool thing, you can upload your own 360 images if you have them available, or, and this is really cool, you can use our app to turn any image into a 360 image, okay? So you can provide, or your customer, your client can provide his own images, and our app is going to convert it for them into 360 experiences and 360 images, which is sweet, okay? Now I'm gonna click on this one right here, click on Choose Files, and then I have 4 images here that I'm going to just showcase really quick. These are 360 images. So they are now here ready. You can obviously deselect some of them if you don't want to use them. So I'm going to deselect, let's say this one here. And now I'm going to click on Continue. And now it's going to upload it real time to the actual app. Okay, and I'm not going to pause the video. I want to see you how fast it does that. And as soon as it's uploaded, I can now fully customize the 360 experience. If you want to see some examples, please check below the video for the examples as well, so that you can see the final product, right? Now, this is the actual office that I uploaded. If I want to see the other images, I can click on this arrow, and now I have the other images here as well, and you know, I can customize them as well. Now, here comes the best part. This was created by marketers for marketers, okay? So here right now on the left-hand side, you can see all the different things that you can do to make this an engaging experience, right? You can embed videos, we can embed email autoresponders, you can collect leads right here, you can embed a map, right, for example, you can jump to the next room, you can add text, call to action, buttons, anything that you can imagine in this 360 experience, okay? And literally you can build a list from this, call to action, whatever it is that you want to do. And this doesn't only work with apartments, you can, and you know, right now with COVID, really any business that has a local space needs this. So if you think about a gym, a spa, you know, any type of doctor or dentist, if you think about a daycare, and obviously vacation rental, Airbnb and things like this. So let's say you want to add a video, for example, right? You can scroll around here and you can choose a spot where you would like to add a video. So let's just gonna go, I'm gonna click here on video and I choose this spot, and now it's gonna create a hotspot, okay? And you can customize this hotspot right here. So the actual prospect is gonna see that, they can click on this, but obviously you want to customize it, okay? So I'm going to click on it, and then here you can see, I can say, for example, watch video, and then here I'm just going to put example text, okay? And then you can also customize how this hotspot looks like. You can make it red, you can click here on style, you can fully customize this right here. You can make the border bigger, smaller, the radius, you can have all these cool icons to add to this hotspot, right? But let's just go back here to core, and now what I can do is I can click here on choose video, and I can then upload a video from my own library, from my own desktop. If you have the video ready, you just upload it from your desktop, or you can use our beautiful library here of done for you videos if you would like to, okay? Or like I said, you can also just go ahead with your own video as well, okay? So now I can save this right here, and this hotspot right now is saved, right? So when someone sees this, they can click on here and the video is gonna play. Now here, let's say we want to collect leads, okay? I can click here on opt-in, or let's do a call to action. I'm gonna put a call to action right here. So it created a hotspot, and now I can customize this hotspot right here, okay? So what I'm gonna do right now is I go here and I can obviously say something like learn more, but here's the cool thing, and then let's also really quick here, example text. And now I can choose my call to action, okay? So check this out. We have different buttons right here, all kinds of colors, all kinds of text, like learn more, buy now, download now. I can click here on badges. So we have these different badges right here that you can customize and use. We have banners right here. So as you can see, this is created by marketers for marketers and with direct response marketing in mind, okay? You can choose anyone that you like right here, okay? And then also, of course, you can customize the domain, and then you can save this and then it's gonna save that hotspot, and when someone clicks on that, the button is actually gonna show up, right? Let's say here, I wanna have a hotspot and I wanna generate leads, for example. I can click here on the opt-in and put that hotspot right here. And I can then also go ahead and customize this hotspot right here. And the cool thing is, you enter again your text. So let's say our newsletter here. Okay, and then here I can integrate with a different autoresponder, GetResponse, Aweber, all kinds of options here, and we're adding even more. And you can have your email list that you can select from your autoresponder. You can save that hotspot, and then you can build a real-time newsletter right here. Okay, so and then here audio, you can add a PDF, URL, phone number. If you're helping a realtor, for example, you can add the phone number, email, image. You can own even a Google Maps right here to make it easy for people to find you. Now, one cool feature that I'm sure you've been looking for is that you can jump. So if let's say you want to jump here to the next room, to the bedroom, or let's say you're in a hotel or a vacation place and you want to go to a restaurant, you can click here on jump, and I can click here. And that's gonna allow me to jump to the next area, okay? So let's say you wanna take people then to a different part of the 360 experience. I can now choose a different image right here. So let's say the bedroom, or let's say I wanna take them to the restaurant, but I'm just gonna go with the bedroom right now. I'm gonna check this box and I'm gonna click here on save. And just like that, it saved it right now for me, okay? So you can then, again, go ahead and actually customize this. And I'm gonna say here, go to bedroom, okay? And I'm gonna save it right here. Cool, and now I get the full 360 right here. Now, if you click here on actions, you can save this project, you can preview it, you can install, okay, right here, and that means it's gonna create the final product for you that you can embed that on any website you like, or you can use our link to send your prospect to this 360 experience, or you can share it right here real time on Facebook, Twitter, your brand new project right here, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click here on preview, so that we can see how it would look like for the actual end user. They would land on your landing page. They can see it like this. And again, this could be for any type of business that you can imagine. They can then click on the hotspot right here, and it's gonna bring up the call to action, for example, that we came up with, right? So for example, this, or if we go here, you can also customize this, and it's gonna bring up the video and then load the video, and you can customize everything right here. Now, if we wanna go to the bedroom, they can click here on this button right here, and it's going to take them to the bedroom. And then obviously in here you can also customize everything. If you want to give them more information about the actual pillows and mattress, you can add text. If you want to play a video right here, commercial, you can play it right here. And if you have another door, you can send them here to the next room, for example, if you go back from the actual preview, okay? So that pretty much is what the app does, okay? And I'm just giving you a quick, I'm just showing you the most exciting features. Here on the upper right, remember, we have Video Studio, which is an interactive video builder. We have Image Studio, which allows your audience to customize and, improve images. We have a full-blown page builder with lead capture pages and sales pages. And then we have some cool integrations here with the autoresponders that I showed you, like GetResponse, Sendeo, ActiveCampaign, Market Hero, SendLane, and the list goes on and on. It's all right here. And then we're also going to have analytics available right here, for example. Okay. Now that pretty much wraps up the demo. Okay. That's VR Agency 360. I'm really pumped about this one. Please go ahead and look at the examples below this video. We are the first ones to bring an app like this to the online marketing space. Okay. If you look around, any app like this is going to cost you a monthly or a yearly fee. Right now, during this launch special, your audience is going to be able to grab this and create full 360 experiences with just a one low time investment. And obviously right now with the pandemic, this is going to be a very, very valuable service that your audience can offer that solves a real issue in the marketplace. Okay, that's about it. That is VR Agency 360, a quick demo. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Victory or myself. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the leaderboard. Bye bye.